The world is slowly flipping on its own head, guys. We can't make this stuff up. Literally, no one else will tell you guys this. This is why you guys watch this channel. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents. As we can see, well, is that the actual prices, guys? Wait, it just pumped. Oh wow, almost 40k. Again, please just fly Bitcoin. Please let everyone behind, right? That's what it just needs to do, guys. Rip that damn bandage off before to the upside before the recession occurs, right? Hopefully we make it to new all-time highs. That would be an outlier, wouldn't it? Now, please like today's video, guys, because it's for free. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. No one else will tell you this. No one else will tell you this. The warnings are here today, guys. The warnings are here from Space Force themselves. You can't make this stuff up. I'm so excited, guys. 2024 is about to be insane. I can't believe it. They say, this is the Space Force saying this, guys, not me. Making sure you can withdraw your money from the bank one satellite at a time. Wait, what? Making sure you can withdraw your money from the bank? Did I hear that correctly, guys? From Space Force recruiting? Whoa. Now, that's interesting. Wait, where else have we heard to withdraw your money, right? From Mr. Pool, Space Force, right? The light. As we can see right here. And then ATMs, right? More connections right here, guys. So Mr. Pool Mr. Pool obviously warned us ahead of time to remove your money from banks, guys, but I'm just going to keep some in there, guys, right? I'm mainly into cryptocurrencies. Obviously I am. But I should probably take a little bit of capital, guys, right? A little bit of fiat out of the banks in case, I mean, they're all warning us, right? Okay, so this seems to be the game plan, guys, not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you guys do wish to, right? But when the Space Force is saying it, I don't know, right? Guys, that just means 2024, there's going to be what? More bank runs occurring, right? More bank runs. Again, be very wary of these smaller banks, guys. Now, the bigger banks, right, JP Morgan and these top banks, will probably survive. They will survive during the economic turmoil or collapse. Why? Because billionaires have their assets, or their capital in the top banks, right? But will they? Because David Short at one point in time did say that millionaires will be created out of billionaires, right? So billionaires, their net worth going down to millions. I don't know, crazy. Interesting post from Space Force. Guardians explaining how the Space Force controls ATMs. Realizing no one would have access to their money without Space Force satellites. Wow. Interesting, guys. So blackouts are definitely incoming, right? This is why Elon Musk is literally the perfect puppet. Elon Musk created Starlink because of that fact of blackouts and things like that, guys, right? It's the craziest thing. So we know what's upcoming. A cyberspace attack will be occurring shortly as well, guys. I mean, every event you could think of, we're going to be talking about it in today's video. Minus a few. Now, guys, we're starting off on part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. Guys, like today's video. I'm telling you, it's going to be pretty insane. Share it as well. Share. This is for free, by the way. It's all for free. Check this out. From When Moon today, right? December 3rd, 2023. As we can see from Mr. Pool, 12/3/21, a few year delta. Now, I know we figured out why they love, the Riddlers love, eclipses, right? It's because, I think, this is just my opinion, guys, but I think, quote, the sun will turn into darkness and the moon into blood before a great and notable day of the Lord, end quote. It's because it points towards, it signals the end times. That's what I think, right? When the sun and moon collide, therefore, when two worlds collide, the end is here. Isn't it odd that the Mayan calendar predicted the world's end in 2012, and in that very year, Ripple came into existence, XRP, right? A little bit strange, if you ask me. Now, back to this topic, 12/2/22. You think, but it is done, right? A delta for yesterday, but it would make sense here in just a second. 12/2/2020 right here, right? Only one stands, guys, right? One remains. Survive as well. 12:02 a.m. 12/2 survive, guys. Pointed towards yesterday, right? And today is just saying today is 12/3 or 123. And what just happened today, guys? Oh, I'm done. I'm done. The riddlers are off the charts, guys. How do they know? It's because these people know, guys. It seems like they're in some type of occultic, right, group, or maybe some type of technology, such as free space masons. But from the ripple effect, December 3rd, 10 a.m. air raid rehearsal today, guys. Right, as we see from Mr. Poole pointed towards today. This would be occurring, right? Seems like military. Seems like incoming destruction, guys. And what can you do? XRP flashes at the end. But wait a moment. Look what just happened today, guys. I can't make this stuff up. Breaking. We can't make this stuff up. The Pentagon says a NASA's warship and multiple commercial ships have come under attack in the Red Sea. It's the game over. Uh-oh. There we go, guys. Wow. You just can't make this stuff up, right? So is it about to begin? Something tells me this was allowed and or space planned. Wow. Right, and everyone's blaming who? That side of the team, guys, right? Everyone's blaming whoever is in seat right now. Right? They're going to start WW3. Wow. We told you guys, right? Not even, it happened today, guys, right? Supposedly on the day where normally this means war. Right? As we can see, I guess war is incoming, guys. 64. DDG 64. The USS previously shot down missiles and drones aimed at it as it escorted a commercial vessel through the war-torn region, right? Was targeted along with at least 2 other commercial ships starting around 10 a.m. guys. 10 a.m. you say? 10 a.m. you say? December 3rd at 10 a.m. guys. In this video from Mr. Poole, right? It was right here. I can't find it. Right here, guys. Somewhere here, right there. December 3rd, 10 a.m. Look at that triangle as well. And it happened today, right? Around 10 a.m. You just, guys, it's not a funny matter. You guys want to know why? Because the world is flipping on its head slowly but surely, right? Things are about to accelerate. The apocalypse is coming soon, guys. It's game over, right? How did the riddlers know? Again, we are in good hands, basically, right? No, not anything of vice at the end of the day, though. From Elon Musk, Cybertruck production line. Does this not just seem like ominous, guys? Right? Apocalyptic type of feeling, vibes, energy. Doors are bulletproof, as we can see right here. From Elon Musk, so they spray, as you guys can see, and it's bulletproof, right? Nothing happens to the car or truck, to the Cybertruck. Look at the numbers he used as well, right? At the end points to 9. 2025 seems to be the trials, so to speak. Maybe some type of war, right, will commence. Cybertruck delivery event. And guess what Elon does say? The apocalypse could come along at any moment. At Tesla, we have the best in apocalypse technology, right? Now, I had the timestamp before, guys. I don't know where he says it though. I will have the link down here because he does say here, guys, right? Just seems apocalyptic if you ask me. And then comes out. This was behind the scenes, guys, right? They use different type of. I can't play. I'm not going to play the video, but I'll have the link down here if you guys would like to investigate further. Now, Elon Musk then comes out with Cybertruck OMFG decal, right? $55 right there. First Republic Western Alliance seek to calm contagion worries from Silicon Valley Bank meltdown. Seems a little similar, right? Again, that ties into the banks, right? Perhaps more bank collapses imminent, guys. The Space Force wasn't joking around, it seems as. Broken glass and breaking banks. Elon's Cybertruck OMFG decal that he pointed this morning instantly reminded me of the Silicon Valley Bank on 3/10/23/13. I think Elon is warning about a new cataclysmic round of bank collapses incoming in December, guys. Let's see the comps. It's probably going to happen Q1 or Q2 of 2024. Why? Because of a recession, guys, if it does occur, right? Even David Schwartz pointed towards this shattered glass, right? Oh my, like the video, guys, share the news. I can't make this stuff up. We can't. Now, not to mention, you type it in gematria, what comes out? Time is running out. National Popcorn Day. Economy crash, collapse, in apocalypse scenario. Wow, guys, right? Big inflation increase. That's incoming. Again, you guys ready? Because I'm not. It seems that's Jamie Dimon, the guy who's in the know, guys, right? A bankster speaking on the risks mankind can face. Next, this nuclear attack, climate change. Can't make this stuff up. You guys ready? Listen to this.
If this is the most dangerous time, how does it metastasize? You look at what's happening in Israel. We're going to talk to the president of Israel, Isaac Herzog, in just a little bit. We're having the president of Taiwan on the screen in just a little bit. You just mentioned China and the Middle East as examples. What do you think could happen?
Yeah, well, I already mentioned nuclear blackmail, so mankind faces some huge risks. There are three I'm going to mention, okay? One is obviously these wars, which is not one of those three, but nuclear proliferation. That is probably the most dangerous thing facing mankind. Climate change, which we need a lot of work to do, and we kind of don't really have to act together on that. If you think about good policy, hopefully these wars will end up, in armistice, in peace. That's good for Ukraine and Israel. But you can't count on that happening, and certainly you can't count on it happening before we meet again in a year from now.
Okay, so the third thing he said was that, guys, right? I'm going to, again, everything I'll have in this, all the links I'll have in the description below, guys, and we're going to be talking about this here in a second, right? This person says from Douglas McGregor, I do not think we'll get into the 2024 election. Things are going to implode in Washington before then. Our economic financial condition is fragile. It's going to come home to roost in ugly ways, right? It's time, guys. We can't make this stuff up now. You just can't make, how, guys? I don't know how the Riddlers keep getting things right. United States of America versus Donald J. Trump, Donald J. Trump. No one noticed the legal document 113, right? Floodgates are about to be opened. 113, 111, 589, 111, 311. Okay, seek safety. And then Donald Trump says,
and we have you see 26,000 people from China, all young males. Okay, so what's going on with that? 26,000 people just was reported over a short period of time. This isn't a long period of time. So what are we building, a little army in our country? And we have a guy.
So what's going on? So what's going on over there, guys? Huh? Army talk, right? Recruiting, preparing the narrative for the sky event, perhaps. North Korea wars touch our satellite face war. I mean, guys, things are about to get really crazy out there. The vote was 311 to 114, right? This will tie into 311 to 114. How? I don't know. Now, the whole news, guys, the whole mainstream news has been talking about, look at this, some type of, right? You guys can read right here, guys. Again, round 2 is incoming. We told you guys, every card they can play to mankind will be played, guys, right? Canada is the next country of the mysterious, you know what's happening. What? Look at this, guys. It already went to 11 states, right? Again, I will have every link down in the description below. It got so worse to the point that Republican senator asked Biden admin to immediately restrict space travel, right? Between over here and over there. Crazy. Again, here's all the news, guys, right? It's a new, they call it this right here. It's coming, guys. But remember, it's all a what, guys? Right here, right? Hey guys, watch out for the scammers. Don't get rippled by Ripple Bank. As you guys can see, a crime. More war talk, guys, right? Preparation for a possible war. Brazilian defense minister. What's happening, right? Look at this. Another one of those. Philippines just got an earthquake. People are talking about the end times are here. March of 2022. March of 2024, supposedly the game Dying Light 2 says that there is some type of apocalypse, right? Zombie setting, guys, incoming. Donald Trump says will lead to our destruction. Blackouts, a precursor to the end of the world, guys. I don't know what's happening, but you guys know what's happening, right? Again, 11:30, which is 113 plus 3 days, connects to today, right? When does the reset happen, guys? It sure seems like we are near. Not financial advice. The fountain for today's video comes from Seller 17. XRP rises from the ashes of Bitcoin Tether and the USD, right? When we talk about the Phoenix, hopefully one day, guys, hopefully, let us see what happens at the end of the day. Not financial advice. What news, guys? Hope you guys are amazing. See ya. Wow.